Alright guys, you're welcome to DigiTrybe. In today's video, I want to show you real quick how you can upload and edit your PDF file on Canva. So if you've been stuck before on trying to edit a PDF file, you want to stick with me in this video. I'm going to show you real quick how you can edit your PDF file same as it was on Canva and download that same PDF file, the new version of it, and maybe send it to whomever you want to send to. And all of this will be done for free using the free Canva account. You don't need the paid version to do this, and you don't even need to pay anybody to do this for you. So I'm going to show you real quick how you can upload your PDF file on Canva and edit it. By the way, if this is your first time of being to my channel, this is DigiTrybe. You're welcome to DigiTrybe. I will appreciate your subscription to this channel. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, give me your thumbs up, and also leave a valuable comment in my comment section below. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell icon, because I drop valuable videos like this, not just tricks and tips like this to help you. I also drop valuable videos that will help you make money online. So if you've been looking for how to make money online, things that will help you make money online, this channel is the place for you to be. DigiTrybe is a digital space for online entrepreneurs where people come to learn, go out there, create their own, and start making money for themselves. So having said that, please do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell icon, and also share this video with your friends, those who are in need of such video. So now let's come back to the tutorial of today. What are we going to do today? Simply uploading our PDF file on Canva and editing that same PDF file. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Now when you log into your Canva, this is my own Canva, you are not creating a design, you are not doing any Instagram posts, Facebook posts, any of that. So there will be no need for you to come to template and start looking for a post, or coming to your project to look for a design to create. You want to upload, because we talked about uploading. So for you to do that, all you need to do is to come to create a design. Simply click on create a design. This is a new feature that Canva added, and it's really handy. So when you click on create a design, you just simply come to upload file. You click on upload file here, then you choose the PDF file. Remember, I want to edit a PDF file, so you want to make sure, one of the things you want to do is that you should make sure that the PDF file is not too big for you to upload. Make sure it is not too big, like it's not over 10 MB, 20 MB. It is not big, because if it is too big, it may take time to upload. So let's just go with this affiliate networks. This is a PDF file. Let me see this. This is 1 MB. So all the PDF file I have here, they are not that big. So let me just say I go with this affiliate network, and then I click on upload. Now let's watch it upload, because we want to upload, then edit, and then download. So it's uploading. If you can see here, this is the PDF file. It says affiliate network, and boom, it has what uploaded. It says 1 of 3. That means the PDF file is 3 pages. So now it has uploaded. The next thing for me to do is to open it. So I'll just hit on it and open. Just tap on it to open it up. So here is the PDF file. Now this is the magic, guys. This is the magic. When you upload it, let me just make this bold so that we will see it very well. When you upload your PDF file to Canva, Canva automatically turns it to separate files. The reason for this is because these PDF files were created with either Word document or Google Doc or any typing document. So they are all separate files before it was now converted to a PDF file. So when you upload it back to Canva, Canva automatically turns it back to that separate entities that it was before converting to PDF. That's why if you notice here, you now have separate entities. So that means I can click on it and then edit. See how easy it is. I can do this and say the affiliate network. I can change the color of that text. Let me say to black, to red, whatever I want to do. I can come down look at this place. Now this is a picture. If it's a picture file, it will come as one entity. Remember, picture is one entity, one particle. It is not separate. So this is a picture. I can replace this picture. If I don't like this, I can replace it with another infograph that I have done. This is an infograph picture, so I can replace it. If I don't like this, I can easily replace this one here, hit delete and delete it, and then put another one. Now if you see here, Canva made this thing like it was put inside what? A picture holder. So let me just do Ctrl Z and bring that back. So guys, you can see how easy it is. How easy it is to edit. I can delete all of this. See how easy it is to edit your PDF files on Canva. So guys, you can see how easy it is to edit your PDF file. So see how easy it is to edit your PDF file in Canva. You can even now do whatever you want to do with it. And then when you are done, let me just remove all of this because I don't want this. Okay, so now when you are done editing, you are done with all your edits, what you can now do is simply click on share. Click on share. Now click on download. Want to download it back as what? As PDF file. So click on here to see formats. This is PNG, JPEG. You see PDF standard, PDF print. So this is high quality, small file size, multiple pages, high quality, multiple pages. So depending on you, if you want to download it such that it will maintain a very high quality, just click on print because you want the high quality in case you want to print it. So click on it, download all pages, and click on download. And here is this guy. I just downloaded it, and now this is the file. So let's open it. Let me just click on it to open. And this is it, guys. This is it. Remember, I changed this. Let me look for the original file. Affiliate marketing, affiliate network. This is the original file. So guys, you see how easy it is to edit your files on Canva. So if you love this video, if you found any value in this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell icon so that you receive valuable videos like this, and also share this video with your friends so that they too can benefit from it. So this is the one we just edited, and now here is the original PDF. You can see here, this is red, this is written with red. I can't edit it here. Even if I want to edit it, it will not work perfectly, just like the way it's working with Canva. So this is the original PDF, and now this is the one we edited. So guys, that is it for me today. Thank you guys. Till I come your way again, remain blessed. This is DigiTrybe, a digital space for online entrepreneurs.